For Alex Murdaugh, it's a good day. Will it have an effect on his appeal in getting a new jury trial? The answer is, I'm not sure. And here's why. When she rendered her decision, former Chief Justice Jean Toll said, I do not find the testimony of Becky Hill to be entirely credible. And I'm not relying on her testimony in order to make a ruling where I do not agree that Alex Murdaugh is entitled to a new trial. So there's no question that Becky Hill should be prosecuted to the highest extent of the law. And I'll start talking about that in a minute. The issue on appeal for Alex Murdaugh, though, is was Justice Toll correct in applying the South Carolina standard on jury tampering? The South Carolina standard is more restrictive than the federal standard. That's what Dick Harpootlian and Jim Griffin were arguing for. The South Carolina standard says not only do you have to show jury tampering, but you have to show that the interference affected the jury's verdict. Now, I represented with Ronnie, my partner, 6 of the jurors who were on the case. 11 of those jurors, my 6 included, said nothing that Becky Hill did, said, or didn't do had any effect on my verdict. Our verdict was based on the evidence, the testimony, and the instructions we got from Judge Newman. There was one juror who said that what Becky Hill said did affect her verdict. However, Justice Toll found it not to be credible. The federal standard, which Dick and Jim advocated be applied, says that all you have to show is jury tampering. And once you do, you get a new trial. That's the issue that's going to have to be decided on appeal.